How to verify age? How to verify age on Roblox. So in this video, I'll show you how you can verify your age on Roblox. So to get started, go ahead and log in to roblox.com or open the Roblox app. And then click on the gear icon at the top right and then select settings. Now once you're on the settings, head over into the account info section and then look for the age verification section. So as you can see, my age has been verified and checked already, but you'll basically find it under the personal section. So click on the verify my age button and Roblox will prompt you to use your mobile device camera. And this is because verification requires scanning an official ID. So provide a valid government ID. Accepted IDs include passport, driver's license, national ID card, and the ID must be government issued and not expired. So take a selfie after scanning your ID. Roblox will ask for a selfie, and this ensures the ID belongs to you. The process is handled by verification and Roblox trusted verification partner. So wait for confirmation. Verification usually takes a few minutes, and once approved, your account will show verified under age verification. You'll then gain access to features like voice chat and 18 plus experiences. So that is how you can basically verify age on Roblox.